Hey guys, what's happening? How to activate Uber deactivated account. So I'm gonna open up my browser and just type appeal Uber deactivation. You're gonna see the first result, appeal process. Go ahead and click. And make sure to log in using your credentials. Alright? And it says right here in the first blank or the first question, can you tell us in your opinion why the actions leading to your suspension were justified and did not constitute abuse from the platform? And you're gonna just type something like this: I have submitted the appropriate documents which were expired and led to the deactivation of my account. And I'm gonna add a dot. I'd like to formally request a second review. Alright? And basically go and submit your request, and that should fix it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.